In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your Weebly site's buttons. We'll cover all you need to know to make your site's buttons both functional and stylish, and we'll do it all in about 5 minutes. So, let's get started. The first thing you'll want to do is head over to Weebly's website. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and entering the Weebly URL in the address bar. This will take you to their homepage where you can build a free website or online store. It's a great platform, perfect for both seasoned developers and beginners alike. Once you're there, the next step is to log into your account. If you haven't already created an account, you'll need to sign up. Assuming you have an account, just log in with your email and password. After entering your credentials, click on the login button to proceed. Now that you're logged in, you'll arrive at your dashboard. Here, look for the website option and click on it. This will display an overview of your site. Next, you'll want to click on Edit Site, which is essentially a gateway to customizing various aspects of your site's appearance. When you've entered the editor, your screen may seem a bit overwhelming at first, but don't worry. Out of all the options available, you want to locate and click on Theme in the top menu. The theme setting is where all the magic happens when it comes to visual customization. From there, navigate to Change Fonts. Clicking this allows you to see different categories you can modify, and one in particular is Buttons. Click on Buttons to begin customizing them. It's time to explore the various font options available to you. Here you can play around with the typeface until you find one that represents your brand. If you already have a font in mind, simply use the drop-down menu to select it. Once you've settled on your font choice, you might want to adjust the style. Click on Style to see different styling options like bold, italic, or a combination of both. Feel free to experiment here too, see what fits the overall theme of your site. Size matters, so let's make sure your buttons are the right dimensions for your site. Click on Large Buttons to adjust their size. You can make them bigger or smaller depending on their importance or your personal aesthetic preference. For a unique touch, consider using the uppercase on-off option. This feature allows you to toggle uppercase letters for a bolder statement or mixed case for a softer look. Finally, don't forget about letter spacing. Click on letter spacing to tweak this aspect. You might find that a bit more space between letters makes your text stand out, or maybe you'll prefer a tighter look. And there you have it, you've learned how easy it is to customize your buttons on Weebly, turning them into a standout feature on your site.